My name is Tony Shepley, and I run Shepley Wood Products. We're a 110 employee pro dealer located on Cape Cod in Massachusetts. DMSi has helped us with a lot of efficiencies. It's got some great tools, viewers, just different means of tracking our business, inventory control. But really the most important thing that DMSi has given us is it's given us discipline. DMSi is black and white enough that perhaps things that we didn't pay attention to on prior systems, we've been forced to pay attention to with DMSi. It's sharpened us up. DMSi has given us some very good, very sharp tools, and it's given us the opportunity to use them. The rest is up to us. We, as the user, have to commit the effort, the time, the training, and the resources to make those tools work.
I think one of the strongest features of Agility is the viewer feature. I used to spend a lot of time trying to create reports for users, and it was never quite correct. Now with the viewers, our users can create their own reports very quickly and modify them to their own specific needs. In business, it's very important to have great relationships. At DMSi, we have a guardian angel who watches out for us every day. If we hit any snags at all, I know I have someone I can call who will be an advocate for us to get our problems corrected. Every employee at DMSi truly cares about their job, but having that guardian angel is very special.
What I like best about Agility software is its speed and the comprehensive way that it searches customer accounts, sales orders, purchase orders, and anything else related to a customer's account, and specifically their jobs. And the biggest thing is being able to look up items without item codes and using a keyword search. I've had that function before. It's never performed as well as Agility's keyword search. It's never been as large of a database to search from, meaning we can continually add those keywords and being able to find the right product. Agility has made my job easier by being able to answer just about any question that comes up from a customer, whether it be a financial question relating to their bills and to their statements, past invoices, as well as our purchasing department is able to put in keywords and longer descriptions related to an item.
Agility has helped mostly with speed. I can get things done a lot faster than I have in the past with the old software. You can actually go into Agility and export just about anything into an Excel spreadsheet, cut, paste, do whatever you have to, and there you have it, you got your report. The other efficiency too are all these buttons that we have. You've got a button for everything. So you can just click, 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 and you're there. To do the statements, I set up my screen, I hit my buttons, everything's all set, and I just hit print. And what I do is I use as many printers as I can, and I send portions of the alphabet. And that's all I do now, is I just set up the grid, all the criteria, print to printer number 1, number 2, number 3, and then the crew here will just take it off the printer and we just stuff and mail it out. I know a good one. We are getting more and more people to get their statements emailed and faxed. So I'm printing less paper, less postage. So when we talk to customers, it's like we're selling it. We'll even say, you know, Andrea just did it yesterday. She'll say to them, would you like your statements and your invoices emailed to you? And 99% of the time they love it. So right there, it's cutting time. And postage at 45 cents a letter, I mean, forget it.
As we import the Anderson IQ into the DMSi Agility, there's 3 points that really drive home. It's clear, concise, and it's consistent. The information that comes through that import process is exactly the same information that the customer had signed off on the Anderson IQ, which is really important to be able to have the customer years down the way look at a specific past order and to be able to get all the specific information. And Agility has allowed us to be able to have our point of sale service, our information that's on that ticket, identical to the Anderson IQ.
Okay, today I received the Anderson truck. Used to take me about 2 to 3 hours with the regular paperwork. This time it took me about an hour with the gun. I scan it in, I scan it to the location, it's done. I have no paperwork, nothing to turn in. It automatically goes right to the computer and it's very accurate and there's no loss of any kind of paperwork or anything like that.
Agility has simplified things, like I said, not only their pick tickets, but what you're actually looking at on your screen.
Salesperson no longer has to call to see a status of an order, where an order is, or to see if it's been released out into the yard yet. So essentially, instead of making a phone call, going to another system to see where an order is, a nice feature of Agility is that everything's talking right here. You can see when the order was processed down to the shipping office, when it was being built, it was put onto a truck to be delivered, and is now in right to the job site. DQODT is telling Agility that that has now been, in fact, been delivered.
So the beauty of Agility over our old point of sale software is that we are able to import directly into Agility every single comment and every single product note. The steps in order to import into Agility are much easier, many less steps.
It's really exciting to think about the future. So DMSi is the center point of all that.